Even a spark could ignite the fire. Iran and Israel, two rivals locked in decades of tension, now stand dangerously close to open war. This isn't just about two countries. It's about ideology, power, survival, and the future of the Middle East. At the center is one burning issue: Iran's nuclear program. Israel believes Iran is building a bomb. Iran says its intentions are peaceful, but trust, long dead. For years, the conflict has played out in the shadows. Cyber attacks, assassinations, secret airstrikes, each side hitting the other without claiming credit. But what if the shadow war turns real? Imagine Israel launches a surprise strike on Iran's nuclear facilities. Within hours, missiles rain down from Iran, from Hezbollah in Lebanon, from militias in Iraq and Syria, from Houthis in Yemen. Tel Aviv goes into lockdown. Tehran scrambles its defenses. The skies of the Middle East catch fire. Israel activates its Iron Dome. Iran calls in its allies. U.S. bases across the region come under attack. The war spreads fast. The Strait of Hormuz, through which a third of the world's oil flows, is suddenly blocked. Oil prices skyrocket. Global markets crash. Civilians flee cities. Hospitals overflow. Internet collapses. And the world watches, helpless. But war isn't just missiles and tanks. It's broken families, burning homes, futures lost in smoke. And still, the question echoes: can diplomacy stop the descent? Can anyone pull the plug before it's too late? Or is war between Iran and Israel already written? The answer may arrive. Not in headlines, but in sirens.